हेलो गाइस, ऑलमोस्ट एक साल हो चुका है सिंस वी डिड द इंजन रिबिल्ड. तो आई थॉट लेट्स मेक अ वीडियो अबाउट हाउ द इंजन इज़ डूइंग, what it sounds like, and what a cold start sounds like. So the car hasn't been started for a week. As you can see, exhaust manifold is cold to the touch. Everything is cold. In general, while the engine is cold, I've noticed it feels sluggish. It doesn't want to be driven around immediately. And after some heat, it's got some heat into it, engine runs great. So what I do is I hold the RPMs high while it is cold, and try to get some heat into it, as well as keep the oil pressure up so that the engine is internally well lubricated. So yeah, neutral, pump the accelerator a few times, ignition on, note the oil pressure gauge. Okay, started, the oil pressure climbs up immediately. So by holding the RPMs high, you make sure that the oil pressure is high so that the internals are well lubricated. You shouldn't go too high either, but a slightly higher RPM helps. So the engine has warmed up at this point. As you can see, it sounds much quieter. Let's hear it rev now. वो थोड़ा सा फटा हुआ sound that you hear is because of the exhaust. It's leaking somewhere. Also, comment below, by the way, if you love these kind of old series number plates. I think they're just amazing, and government should do something to protect them. Yeah. But yeah, in general, the car is working fine. Works great when it is warm, and yeah, based on the work that we did and the amount of wear that was in the pistons, it's doing great. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Fixpana for more.